Hello, this is the student report generator. Functionality. It collects student identification details and three numerical grades to compute the academic average. Here's the logic summary. Input collection gathers student ID and full name and the section. Typecasting, it reads three grades. Here, enter grade 1, enter grade 2, and enter grade 3. And cast them to float to support decimal values. The calculation computes average as the sum of the three grades divided by 3. And the output presents as a formatted report displaying the average rounded to two decimal places using an F-string format specifier. Here, 0.2F. Let's try it. Student ID, for example, 1111. Full name. Just for example. Section 2. Grade 90, 91, 7. And this is the student report. And that's all.